Hello students. Today we are going to learn about factors affecting location of industries. We can also say locational factors for any industry. The factors affecting the location of industries are, first one is, which is very important, raw material. Availability of raw material is first factor. Second factor, land. Third factor, water. Fourth, labor. Next, power. And next, capital. Then transport and market. So one by one, we will understand how these factors are very important for any industries to be located. Raw material is very important because without raw material, any industry cannot run. Next one is land. Land is required to establish the industry. So land at cheap cost is preferable. Next one is water. Availability of water is needed because it is needed for coal washery and many other purposes. In iron and steel industry, the temperature remains very high so that an artificial lake has to be made. That's why water is required. Next factor is labor. Without labor, we cannot imagine the work which is done in the industry. Power is equally important because electricity or power is needed to run the machines. Capital is needed to buy the machine. Capital is needed to buy raw material. Capital is required to pay the employees. So capital is also very important factor. Transportation, next factor, is also very important because the raw material is reaching to industry, and again through transport the finished good is going to be reached in the market. Next one is market. If demand will not be there, then the product is of no value. So market is also equally important. These all are the factors, locational factors for any industry. Government also provide incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost and other infrastructure so that industries may be located in backward regions, backward areas which is not developed. So industrialization often leads to development and growth of town and cities. We know that after location of any industry, that area grow very fast. Many school comes, many hospital comes, shopping mall comes, because people who are residing there, they need all these. That's why industrialization often leads to development and growth of towns and cities. That's all for today. Thank you very much.